So today's video is going to be about replacing these bump stops, which have deteriorated and fallen apart. GM uses this crappy rubber, which kind of deteriorates over time. But what we'll be replacing it with is a new one. And this is more of a polyurethane bump stop. And it's really a simple fix. It shouldn't take more than a few minutes, to be honest with you. So let's go ahead and get that done. Homie Joey's got a 15mm wrench, and he's going to take the old one off. See how he's getting up underneath the frame there. Yeah, believe it or not, it is this simple. Even though the old one was rusted and the rubber was corroded, the bolt wasn't. It came right off. So there it is. Quick, simple fix. All you need is a replacement bump stop. They run about $15 to $20 a piece, and a 15mm wrench, and the inclination or crawl under your truck, and you can replace the bump stops. It is important to have them, especially if you're doing the off-roading. Your rear axle is going to articulate a lot, and you really don't want the frame hitting the axle. And that's the prime purpose of this thing. You can see the axle right underneath the bump stop there. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit like and subscribe. Thanks.